Welcome to Hope English Tutorials. I'm Mr. Mark Anthony T, your guide on a journey to transform lives through the power of education. Our mission is simple yet powerful. Leave no child uneducated and give hope to the hopeless. We believe that every child deserves access to quality English education, regardless of their background or circumstances. Here, you'll master everything from grammar and literature to public speaking and exam preparation. We provide comprehensive study skills, writing techniques, vocabulary building, and teacher resources, all designed to help you succeed. Whether you're a student aiming for excellence or an educator seeking proven strategies, we've got you covered. We don't just teach English, we educate with purpose, inspire confidence, empower skills, and transform futures. Because we know education is the key that unlocks opportunities and transforms lives. Join our learning community today. Subscribe to stay updated, like our content, share with others, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Together, we learn. Together, we grow. Together, we succeed. Welcome to Hope.